Good morning. Myself Manoj Kumar, Department of Business Administration, Dr. S.N.S. Lachimi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I would like to explain my topic about key features of Python. Key features of Python. Python, clean and easy to read syntax allow developers to focus more on solving problems rather than dealing with the complex language. That is easy readability, simplicity, and interpreted languages also. Python features easy to write, easy to understand, object oriented, and supportive various programming plagiarisms and support for interactive mode, extendable and portable, scalable, integrated, and free and open source also. So easy to code. The Python is a very developer friendly language, which means that can be learned in a matter of hours or days by anyone. Python is one of the easiest object-oriented programming language when compared to Java, C, C++. In Python, a task that need to complicated coding and the others languages is reduced to single line of code. This is a Python primary advantages. That is a open source and free software also. If you would like to explore Python through a self-placed course to try GUBI Python self-placed course, that is a open source and free software. That is Python is one of open source programming language. Hence, anybody can develop and improve the languages. Thousands of Python programmers convey in this online form to debate enhance the languages. It is possible to acquire the solution for your commercial application for free by using the open sources. Additionally, the ability to personalize, improve the basic code while reducing development time. And Python can be downloaded freely. It can be used on any operating systems like Mac OS, Linux, Windows, and Linux, etc. Support of GUI, the graphical user interface. Support for the graphical user interface is one of the most important feature of any programming language since it allows to code to be a more visually appealing. Python is a popular programming language because it provides a wide range of GUI, graphics user interfaces, and that can be easily integrated into the entrepreneur. Object-oriented methodology, one of the Python most important features, that is object-oriented methodology. That implies that Python's understanding the concept of class and object encapsulations, which allows the applications are more efficient over time. High-level language. Python is a high-level programming language, which means that write a code. You write a code. If you don't have to worry about its architectures and memory management or structure of code, and this implies that while writing a Python programming we do not need to remember the system of architectures. Memory. Some Python code can be written in a C or C++. The code can even to compile or C or C++. It makes more programming friendly. um, is a high portable language also. Python is a primarily benefited. It's a highly portable languages. It is the cross platform compatibility. The Python is a cross platform. It meaning it will run various operating system include Windows, Mac, and Linux, and without modification of the code. Integrated by nature, the Python by definitions and integrated languages. This means each of line of Python code is executed separately by the Python entrepreneur. Unlike the object-oriented programming language, have to build a Python code, which makes debugging much easier and faster. Another advantage is that when Python code is run, it's immediately translated by into bytecode. This is a turn makes execution very easy and runtime and is saved in the long run also. Extremely dynamic. Python is a previously started in the articles one of the most dynamic programming available today. That means that the type of variable is determined during the runtime. Because of the features, we don't have to define the type of the variable during the coding, which saves the time and enhance efficiency. Supportive and other language. Python is one of the most programming high level programming language in the business since it is built in C and permits the execution of code written in other programming languages such as Java, C, C++, and C Sharp. This is embedded features by the Python is very helpful to the developers also. Multi-purpose. Python is a programming language that can use for multi-purpose backend web development and mobile app development and software development and desktop app development. Just a few examples also used to process a large amount of the data and perform the mathematical calculations, and system scripts also available also be written in Python. It's a missing language in the world of technology. Machine language has a bright future. Python is without doubt the best language of the machine learning because it is simple to understand and data validations is quick and error. And developers can do difficult operations without coding since they have to access a well development library ecosystem. Um, Python applications, that means the Pythons is an the framework like Flask and the Primate and enabling the creation of repost and scalable web applications also, the automated scripting and game development and scientific computing, etc. So why Python? Python works at different platforms. Python has simple syntax similar to English language. Python has syntax to allow developers write program a few lines and some other programming language. Python runs an entrepreneur system, the meaning the code can be executed as soon as it written. That means the prototyping can be very quick. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.